Hey guys, Dr. Axe here. Today I'm going to talk to you about an amazing superfood, actually amazing super liquid that can increase your energy, help fight diabetes, improve your heart health, and support fat burning and weight loss. And this is a liquid that's actually been used well over 2,000 years. In fact, Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, he's famous for saying, "Let food be thy medicine." He gave this to his patients over 2,000 years ago to support the healing of their body. This amazing superfood, or super liquid should we say, is apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to go through the medically based, evidence-based studies here on apple cider vinegar and its health benefits. In fact, if you go online and just look up apple cider vinegar, you're going to see so many health benefits. Now, first let me ask you this question. What's the difference between apple cider and apple cider vinegar? Well, it's a process called fermentation where we're creating probiotics, enzymes, and changing the pH of this liquid. If you go online and just look up apple juice or apple cider, there's going to be actually a lot of negative press on that because of all of the sugar. Versus apple cider vinegar, when you ferment something, you are turning the sugar into good, what are called organic acids, creating enzymes, probiotics, really turning apple juice or apples into an incredible superfood. So let's talk about first the benefits of apple cider vinegar at lowering your cholesterol. According to a recent study published in the British Journal of Clinical Nutrition, they found that if you just do 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in the morning, you are naturally lowering your cholesterol. Reason being is apple cider vinegar has been shown to increase bile production and support your liver. You know, your liver and bile are very important for the processing and creating cholesterol and breaking down cholesterol. And so again, apple cider vinegar, amazing for the health and a natural way to lower your bad cholesterol, that LDL cholesterol you may see on the blood test. The next thing and massive benefit you're going to see with the apple cider vinegar is it medically has been proven to reduce your blood sugar levels and be very effective in the treatment of diabetes. In fact, in one of the diabetes journals, they found if you just did 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and water before your meal, it decreased your blood sugar levels by 6%. And this is because apple cider vinegar has been shown to balance those blood sugar levels, reduce A1C levels, great for diabetics, which also means if your blood sugar isn't going to spike after a meal, it's also naturally going to increase your energy levels. The third major benefit, and this is something all of you guys are going to love, apple cider vinegar has been shown to increase your metabolism and support weight loss. Reason being, it contains an organic acid that happens when you convert apple juice to apple cider vinegar. It actually creates an organic acid called acetic acid, and this sort of acid has been shown to improve your metabolism. Now, most of the time when we hear acid, we think, oh, well, acid isn't good. Well, in this case, acid is good. Very similar to how lemon juice has citric acid. Well, this has acetic acid, which even though it's acidic, it has an alkaline effect on your body, and this has been proven medically to support weight loss. The other great benefit of apple cider vinegar medically is it's been shown to lower your blood pressure, so naturally balance out your blood pressure levels. So there are a lot of massive benefits when it comes to apple cider vinegar. And think about it, it's been used for over 2,000 years. This is also one of the main ingredients that I have my patients consume in the Dr. Axe Secret Detox drink. So apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice, cayenne pepper, so many great benefits with apple cider vinegar. I recommend using this in a few ways. Number one, put a couple tablespoons on your salad along with some organic extra virgin olive oil. Again, it goes great on salads. Another way to do this is just put a tablespoon or 2 in water. And if you want to sweeten it up and kind of do it as a healthy drink, you can put in a couple just drops of liquid stevia. And so apple cider vinegar, again, it's a great thing to put in drinks, great thing on salads. In fact, sometimes I'll even do it in baking recipes. When I'm making bone broth at home, we'll put apple cider vinegar there as we make bone broth. It actually helps bring out the nutrients. But the main reasons why apple cider vinegar is so beneficial is, one is organic acids. That acetic acid really supports digestive function. Also, it has enzymes and has probiotics. Also, apple cider vinegar, the last major benefit, has been shown to help fight acid reflux. If you have acid reflux, GERD, any sort of digestive issue, doing just 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and about 8 ounces of water before you eat is greatly beneficial. So again, if you want to get some great health benefits, apple cider vinegar has been proven. It's been used for well over 2,000 years to help benefit your health. Hey, if you want to learn about some more natural superfoods that can support your health, hey, check out my videos on things like ginger, turmeric, green tea. We got a lot of natural superfoods I've talked about here on the show. And hey, if you want to learn more, hey, you can subscribe. And if you know people that need to know more about apple cider vinegar, hey, feel free to share it with a friend. Hey, this has been Dr. Axe. Thanks for learning about the major benefits of apple cider vinegar.